You've been scammed on Cash App, haven't you? Maybe it was a fake lottery win, or a too-good-to-be-true investment opportunity. Or perhaps someone just straight up stole your money. It happens more often than you think. And it's infuriating. So, how do you catch a scammer on Cash App? Let's dive in. First off, let's get real. Catching a scammer is like finding a needle in a digital haystack. These guys are professionals at covering their tracks. But that doesn't mean it's impossible. It just means we need to be smarter. The first step is prevention. It's like wearing a seatbelt. It doesn't guarantee you won't crash, but it sure as hell helps. Never share your Cash App PIN, never click on suspicious links, and be wary of unsolicited offers. Remember, if it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. But let's say you've already been scammed. Don't panic. The first thing to do is secure your account. Change your password, enable two-factor authentication, and freeze your Cash App card. This will prevent the scammer from accessing your money. Next, gather evidence. Screenshots of the scammer's profile, messages, and transaction history are crucial. You'll need this when you report the scam to Cash App and potentially the authorities. Reporting the scam is the next step. Cash App has a dedicated support team for this. Be as detailed as possible when explaining what happened. The more information you provide, the better chance they have of catching the scammer. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Can you catch a scammer on your own? Well, it's possible, but it requires time, patience, and a bit of detective work. Start by reverse image searching the scammer's profile picture. You might find they're using a stolen image. Social engineering can also be a powerful tool. Pretend to be interested in their scam and see how much information you can get out of them. This can be risky, though, so proceed with caution. Finally, there's the option of involving the authorities. If the amount stolen is significant, consider filing a report with your local police department. They might be able to assist in the investigation. Remember, catching a scammer isn't always about getting your money back. Sometimes, it's about preventing others from falling victim. Sharing your experience can help raise awareness and protect others. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, stay safe and scam-free.